Frequency tables. Frequency means how often a value occurs in a set of data. What is frequency tables? Frequency tables is a table that answers how often students get good grade on the test. Students get good grade on the test is an example. It can be another idea. How to make a frequency table from the list of dataset. We have numbers here: 2, 6, 9, 5, 6, 4, 9, 8, 5, 6, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5. This is frequency table. We have numbers here, and I write the frequency of the numbers. I write numbers here, and how often that occurs is a frequency. How to read the information from the frequency tables, such as most used data. Frequency table. This is my frequency table, and in this test, students get grades. One student gets 0 to 25%. 4 students get 25 to 50%. 9 students get 50 to 75%. 9 students get 75 to 100%. Our mode is most used data. Our mode in this frequency table is 9 students, because 9 students get 50-75% and 9 students get 75-100%. And I will teach you another information. These are different types of frequency tables, and we have examples here. This is dataset, and this is frequency table. This frequency table is made from this dataset. We learned in this unit. Dataset is collecting of facts or information. Mean is average of given dataset. Median is middle value in a listed dataset. Mode is a value that occurs most often. Range is difference between high and low. Frequency is how often, how many times a value occurs in a set of data. Tally marks is kind of counting in a group of 5. Bye bye.